If you're staring at an unresponsive washer and the screen shows f08 error Whirlpool washing machine, you're probably wondering what just broke, and whether it's something you can fix yourself, or if your weekend plans now include shopping for a new appliance. It's a frustrating moment. The laundry's halfway done, the drum's full of water, and nothing's happening. Just that strange error code blinking back at you. Hey, so let's talk about what this really means. This ISNT just about cutting the power. It gives the control board a chance to fully reset. After half an hour, plug it back in and press the power button. Sometimes, the washer just needed a nap to clear its confusion. The f08 error Whirlpool washing machine code usually points to a motor failure or an issue with the heating element not activating properly. In plain terms, your washer ISNT doing what it's supposed to. It's not moving water in or out. It's not heating up, and it's basically gone quiet. It's like the machine is just stuck. Now, here's where it gets interesting. If the code comes right back, there's a deeper issue inside the machine. There is one thing people try in this situation that actually works more often than you'd expect. But knowing what it means and trying that one reset trick might just save your day, or at least help you explain it clearly when you call the technician. And no, it doesn't involve opening the machine or touching any wires. First, unplug the washer. Leave it that way for at least 30 minutes. But let's be honest, that's the hopeful fix. The f08 error is most often tied to the motor or the components connected to it. It might be that the motor control board has failed, the wiring is loose, or worst case, the motor itself is burned out. Unfortunately, this isn't a DIY kind of job for most people. Replacing a washer motor is a complex repair and usually requires a professional technician. But before you book that repair, double-check a few things. Is the power outlet stable? A voltage drop can sometimes trigger an error. Did the machine trip a fuse or breaker? Are there any strange smells or sounds coming from the machine? These details can help narrow down the issue and speed up the repair process. If you do need to call in help, at the end of the day, no one wants to see a weird code on their washer, especially not one like f08.